Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Wise account. First is open your Wise app. So in the first screen, tap Get Started. You'll see two options, log in or register. Since we're setting up a new account, go ahead and tap Register. Now it'll ask you to enter your email address, type that in, and then tap Next after that. Wise will send you a confirmation link to your email. Then tap Open Email to go directly to your email app. Now refresh your inbox, look for the email from Wise, then tap Confirm Email Address. Next, it'll ask you what kind of account that you want to open, a personal account or business account. So I'm going to choose personal for this tutorial. Now it'll ask where you live. Just select the country that you're currently in, and once that's done, it'll give you a quick overview of how Wise works in your region. Then tap Next to continue. Next up is enter your phone number. Wise will send you a verification code. Type that in once you received it. Now create your password for the account. And then after that, go into your phone settings and enable notifications for Wise to stay updated. Wise might also ask for permission to track app and website activity. Tap Continue, then Accept. You'll now be prompted to set a passcode for added security. Once you've set your passcode, give it a second to load. Then after that, it'll say choose how to get started. For now, let's just take a look around, then tap Take a Look Around. Now you'll see the steps to fully set up your account. Tap Continue. It'll ask you to choose your currency, select the one that's used in your country, then tap Continue again. Wait for it to load, then tap Continue a couple more times, and that's it. Your Wise account is now set up and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.